Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can transform or switch a shape in your whiteboard presentations on Wrike. For example, transform a rectangle into a circle into a triangle, and so on and so forth, without drawing these with the drawing tool. So let us guide you through this. So in the first step, navigate to a whiteboard inside your Wrike space and add a couple of shapes. I've already done that. You can use the shape tool here at the bottom for that. Select the shape. I will go with, let's say, this triangle here. So I would like to convert this triangle without drawing a new circle, for example. So convert that triangle into a circle. This is how you can do it, guys. What you want to do is left click into it and choose the switch shape tool here at the top. And then select the tool, the shape you would like to apply. So it was a circle, click into it, and that is going to change or transform the triangle into a circle. You can do that again, click into it, select switch shape, and then let us go with, I don't know, a speech bubble like this. That's also a shape, so that's how it works. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.